Wow, that's quite impressive. Yeah. Be careful, bro. But what do you think the lake here in desert it is a surprise for you or not? It's normal.
No, it's a surprise for me.
It's surprise for you. ओके दोस्तों, तो रहने कह रहे हैं कि ये थोड़ा सरप्राइज़ है मेरे लिए कि डिज़र्ट में यहाँ पे लेक है, क्योंकि मोस्टली डिज़र्ट में लेक नहीं होती, सिर्फ डिज़र्ट होता है. We have to be here.
We started.
Yeah, we started to come here. We have to be there now. Are you ready to go?
Of course.
Yeah. What do you think in travel, if you have to, spend, if you have to stay a night over here, by the chance, and by your travel routine, how you'll be stay here? What will be your experience? How will you survive? Let me clear you why I asked this question to you. Because you are, vegetarian.
Uh-huh.
There is no any vegetable to survive, and there's no any kind of thing. There's only if you are, non-vegetarian. If you eat,
I would have to hunt it. I just have my. Should I play my guitar and wait that the animals are coming?
Yeah.
No, I don't have anything for hunting anyways. And on top of this, I can also survive like 1 or maybe 7, 8 days without food. So it's alright.
You can survive 7 days without food.
Yes, I tried already.
That's very surprise for me. We can't survive without food more than 3 days.
You can easily. You will not be able to kill yourself by not eating in 3 days. I'm 100% sure.
Maybe.
Drinking might be another thing.
Yeah.
That can be more dangerous, but eating, no.
Okay, maybe you are right. But as I said that you are a vegetarian, and if you are non-vegetarian, that will be, quite easy to survive here, because you will fishing here and hunt some birds to eat them. It will be survivable because you are vegetarian. That's why I asked that there will be not, vegetables to eat for you.
That might be possible, but still, like, I don't know any traveler who was like carrying a gun for hunting birds or so.
Okay. So, रहने ने अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताया कि अगर यहाँ पे ऐसी कोई जगह आ गई जहाँ पे मैं रात गुजारूँ, तो मैं कैसे गुजारूँगा आप सब ने सुना. बाकी चलते हैं आगे इंशाल्लाह. My nephew said Rene might be tired now. He's thinking that you are new here, and we usually came here and feeding the goat here in desert, and we have experience how to go and how to take rest. And if you don't take rest, it will be not a big problem for us. But you need rest at some moments.
Yeah, bro. I feel sick. Like if I would feel normal, I run around with my 20-kilo backpack usually. I don't. Yeah, of course. Like you think I'm very low in my conditions after 1.5 years carrying my backpack?
Wow. No, I'm not thinking like that. But yeah, I am just saying you don't have enough experience about these kind of things, because you have visited the countries which are fully in mountain. But yeah, in mountains we are very strange over there. We will be lazy over there, and we will be tired over there because we don't have experience in a big experience in mountains. I have little bit experience because I have been 3 or twice in mountains area, in northern areas of Pakistan. But you have a lot of experience in mountain. But here we have a lot of experience. That's why I asked. So.
I mean, normally it would be like kind of an easy walk.
Oh. Wow, that's quite impressive. Yeah. Actually, this is, you can say, local tree of desert. Do you know the name of it?
No, but actually, like, I'm not too surprised, but I think I've seen it in Iran also, and even like in Hengam, there is an island in the Gulf.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and there they also have it.
Okay, bro.
What's the local name here?
In English, I don't know
What's the local
this.
name?
We call it babur. Cha babur cha naam bana. We call it babur. Babur. Huh? He has found a new plant here.
आपका जी उगाना है?
Might be another tree plant.
Which one exactly?
That one with the leaves.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Do you know the name of it? Be careful, bro. He said it's new in desert. He said.
Okay. I don't know. Could it be just something like a tree from the fields, like mango or anything?
No, it's not. Yeah, when I saw it, I feel that might be mango,
Oh,
but it's not.
okay.
Yeah. But you have good sense of humor. As I thought that is a mango, you also thought that is a mango. And